Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw Kumonga, the spider titan from Godzilla. Now, make sure that if you guys are liking these videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you can see every time a new drawing is posted. So, to start off with Kumonga, we are going to begin with his face. So, I'm going to start by drawing a circle right here on my paper for one of his eyes. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw another circle for one of his other eyes. Now he is a spider, so he's going to have about 8 eyes. So I'm going to put a smaller circle right here. And then do the same thing over here. Then I'm going to put another circle here. Do the same thing on this side. And then I'm going to put one more larger circle here. And then one more over here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up and then down and then curves back up like this. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then down like this, just kind of getting the shape of his head. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then curves down and then comes back up for one of his fangs. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to go up and then curve down and then back up for his other fang. Then I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves down and then back up for where his mouth would be. And then I'm just going to add kind of 2 little curved lines right in there. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a really skinny rectangle that goes out on both sides. Then I'm going to put a little skinny rectangle going down on each side. Then I'm going to draw another little one that goes inside. And then on the end, I'm just going to put a little hook. Okay, so after that, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that curves up on this side and one that curves up on this side. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes around the eyes and then connects right to this line that we made. And then I'm just going to do the same thing on here. Just going to go around the eyes and then right to there. So now, for his legs. Now he is a spider, so he's going to have 8 legs. So we want to put these legs kind of going all over the place. So first, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that goes up. Then I'm going to just kind of curve it like this. And then I'm just going to bring it down. Now over here, I'm going to make this leg go up a lot higher. So I'm going to make this one go more towards the top. Curve it, and then come back down. So then right here, I'm going to just draw a line that just kind of curves down and then up. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this bottom part. And then I'm just going to connect it with a curve. Then I'm just going to draw 2 lines that come out. And then I'm going to put a little curve in here. And then just kind of like a hook shape on the end of his foot. Now on this one, I'm going to draw 2 lines that curve up here like this. Then I'm going to curve this line here. And then I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down, over, and then back up. And then we're just going to give him a big hook on this one. So then for his other leg, so I'm going to start a line that goes out, curves down, and then comes back. Then I'm just going to go out, curve up, down, and then come back up. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes down, curves, comes back up, and then we'll add the little hook at the end. Then same thing over here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and it's just going to curve down to this one. Draw a little line down, go up, and then back up here. Line that goes down, curves, and back up. And then just going to add the little hook. So I'm going to repeat this process a few more times. So I'm going to go a little bit faster. So I'm just going to go up, curve down to here, go down, curve, bring this one in, curve around, and then I'll add the little hook. I'm going to make sure I draw a little line here just to show where that leg is. Then back here I'm going to draw another one that goes up, down. Then I'm going to curve this one in a little bit. Draw a little hook. And then I'm going to draw a little one back here that goes up to here. Goes down, and I want to bring this one in a little bit farther. Put the hook. I'm trying to get them a little bit smaller as I move farther back. And I'll do the same thing here. Go up, down, and then just going to kind of put a little one back there. Now for the back of him. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that curves to here. Leave a little space, and then do the same thing on this side. Then I'm going to draw a little line that curves up, goes across, and then comes back down. And then I'm going to make 2 little lines that kind of come down there for his back. Now, just for a few details, he doesn't have a whole lot of different things going on him. I'm going to make 2 little curved lines right here for the tips of his fangs. I want to put a couple little lines around his eyes, just to kind of make it look like they're actually sitting on there. I'm going to add just a couple little extra lines around his face. And then he does have a lot of little stripe patterns on him. But instead of drawing all these different stripe patterns in, I'm just going to color them in. But basically, he's almost got kind of like a tiger pattern where it goes kind of like a yellowish and brown, yellow browns. And just kind of creates like a little stripe pattern all around his body. So, there is your drawing of Kumonga from Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.